Now I will show you the bony features of this tympanic plate of bone. Tympanic plate of bone, it is a thin plate of bone, curve-like plate, which is situated in between the squamous part of the temporal bone in front and the mastoid part of the temporal bone behind. And this tympanic plate, it is helping in the formation of non-articular part of mandibular fossa. This mandibular fossa has got two parts. Anterior part is the articular part formed by this squamous part of the temporal bone. Posterior part is non-articular part formed by the tympanic plate of bone. In between these two parts, we will get one fissure. That fissure is known as the squamotympanic fissure. Now coming to the bony features of this tympanic plate of bone. It presents one superior border, inferior border, and this border is the lateral border. And it presents two surfaces, anterior surface, this surface is the posterior surface. I have prepared one model to demonstrate you the borders. Here you see this border is the superior border which forms one boundary of this squamotympanic fissure, and this border is the inferior border which splits to enclose the base of the styloid process, right? And this inferior border is very sharp border, gives the attachment of parotid fascia. Coming to the lateral border. Lateral border, it is a curve-like border. It forms the margin, peripheral margin of this external acoustic meatus, bony part of this external acoustic meatus. Coming to this surface, it presents two surfaces. This surface is the anterior surface which forms the non-articular part of this mandibular fossa, and here it is related with the parotid gland. Coming to the posterior surface which forms the anterior wall floor and the part of the posterior wall of this external acoustic meatus. If you move inner aspect, we will get one sulcus. That sulcus gives the attachment of peripheral margin of tympanic membrane. Now I will show you this squamotympanic fissure. The squamotympanic fissure is again divided by tegment tympani into two fissures. Now I will show you where this tegment tympani is situated. Now this is the petrous part of temporal bone. This is the anterior surface. On the anterior surface we will get thin plate of bone that is known as the tegment tympani. This tegment tympani, it is projecting within this fissure, that means squamotympanic fissure, and divide this fissure into two parts. The part which is situated close to this squamous part of the temporal bone is known as the petrosquamous fissure, and the fissure which is situated towards the tympanic plate of bone, that is known as the petrotympanic fissure. This petrotympanic fissure helps to transmit three important structures. Number 1 is anterior ligament of malleus, number 2 is the quadratympanic nerve, and number 3 is the anterior tympanic branch of maxillary artery. That's all about this tympanic plate of bone. Thank you.